Who is this? Who is this? Piyush? Piyush, turn on your camera. I want to see what you are doing. How you are doing. Now आ गया. Ayush, can you please write this statement in English? Now आ गया. Simple statements also you are writing in Hindi in the chat box. Nahi aaya. What should be written? What you have to write when you get that document? Yes. Now it's visible. Correct. You can do it. So why you don't do it then? Mr. Piyush Bhomik, turn on your camera. No, it's okay, Ayush, but keep in mind that you should write the simple sentences in English, okay? I know you all can do it. If you can't, then we are there to help you out. Mr. Vedic, turn on your camera. I want to see how you're doing the work.
Am I visible?
No, you're not visible. Is he visible to others?
Ma'am, now is it visible?
Now I can see the logo of school. Yes, Nishi, you are visible.
Ma'am, I am visible now. I'm off
No,
on करा camera.
no, Vedic, no.
Wait a minute. Ma'am, now.
Vedic, are you wearing the watch of Mr. India?
Ma'am, आ रहा है कि video stop working. Try unpulling and pulling in your webcam or switch to another device.
No issues, just leave it then. Because it might be some network issue or the issue with your device. So,
मैम पहले भी करा था, मैम पहले भी पूछा था सबसे, मैम पहले भी मैम ऐसी ब्लैक स्क्रीन ही आ रही थी.
so that's what I am saying. You are wearing the watch of Mr. India. That is why you are not visible to us.
Oh no.
We need to put on the so what he was wearing to see Mr. India, the lens red colored,
Glasses.
red colored glasses, right? So I will also wear the red color. I'll put on the red color on my glasses and then I can see you. I'll do that, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
See, he's saying okay. Now I will paint my glasses red, and I'll see Mr. India, Mr. Vedic. Piyush, I think
leave करके हम rejoin करें.
I no issues. You do your work. Sometimes it happens. No issues. Rest of the time you are there in the class doing the work. That's okay. Piyush, I can see only the ceilings and the fan and your cap. Children, the weather is changing drastically. It's becoming too cold day by day now. So please take care of yourself. Cover your bodies properly.
Ma'am,
Okay? Now okay.
Okay, ma'am. अभी मैम मेरे को cold भी हो गया था.
So please take care of yourself because it's the time you should. Mama and Papa should not ask you every time to put on sweaters, put on socks because it's very cold outside, है ना? ठंडी हवाएं चल रही हैं, ठंडी हवाएं.
मैम मेरी कजिन सिस्टर और मेरे मैम जीजू को तो कोरोना भी हो गया।
मैम मेरी वीडियो विजिबल है?
So please
मैम
take
मेरी
care
वीडियो
of
विजिबल है?
yourself. Ayush, no, you are also having
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
India watch. Keshav is also having Mr. India watch, I think. I can see only black. Oh, I have not painted my glasses red. I'll paint my glasses red and then I can see you all. I'll go to market and purchase. You know that when we go to fair, है ना, जब मेला हम जाते थे तो वहां पे वो कलरफुल चश्मे लेके खड़े होते हैं, उसमें रेड ब्लू ग्रीन एंड ऑल. सो आई विल गो देयर एंड परचेज दैट. है ना. ओप्स, अब तो दशहरा भी चला गया, वो तो दशहरे पे मिलते हैं मेले में. अब मुझे 1 साल वेट करना पड़ेगा इन मिस्टर इंडियाज को देखने के लिए. पीयूष, तुम ना स्माइल मत करो ज्यादा, सबसे ज्यादा गाने तुम गाते हो क्लास में. एंड दैट ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो विच लैंग्वेज.
मैम
Apurva is laughing. No, it's okay. We should sometimes enjoy. We are doing work. Enjoy भी कर रहे हैं साथ साथ. What we can say? Always keep on studying, studying, studying. We get bored, na? So you should not get bored.
नो मैम, मैम संडे को और बोर हो जाते हैं.
मैम केशव ने और अपने कैमरे पे फिंगर रख रखी है.
केशव,
मैम बिकॉज मैम
पता ही चल रहा है.
हमारी क्लासेस
रेड रेड
चलती
सा.
है और हम संडे को नहीं चलती, इसलिए हम बोर हो जाते हैं संडे को ही.
अच्छा नहीं, ठीक है, मैं ले लूंगी क्लास संडे को, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तुम तैयार हो जाओ. वो देखो अनन्या की आंखें ऐसे खुली रहेगी. संडे को क्लास? ओ माय गॉड. वो देखो इक्षा की भी ना 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 आ रही है. अभी अभी ये सारे मिस्टर इंडिया बन जाएंगे.
नो मैम, मैम मत लेना मैम संडे को.
मैम ले लो, मैम किसी भी टाइम ले लो.
मैम आप ले लो. मैम सबसे पहले सार्थक की क्लास लेना. मैम सबसे पहले सार्थक बैठेगा क्लास में.
ठीक है, सबकी
मैम
क्लास ले
मैम
लो.
मैं भी आ जाऊंगा.
ओके,
मैम मैं भी.
ठीक है. Ananya, show me your notebook. Notebook. Where you are writing. Ananya, pick up your notebook and show me like this, where you are jotting down the answers. Okay, great. Go ahead. Mahi, notebook. Okay. Piyush. See, Piyush, show me. Once again. Piyush, once again. I know. You have written only chapter's name and short question answers. Heading. You have not even started one answer. That's why I said ki show me your notebooks. Sarthak, show me.
Yes ma'am, I am showing.
Okay, at least one answer he has started. Sanskriti.
Ma'am, me also one answer.
हाँ
Ma'am,
तो
क्योंकि
show
मैं
ना. Show.
थोड़ा सा नीचे.
ये ना मैं आई विल बिकम मिस इंडिया नाउ, और ये सब मिस्टर इंडिया बनते हैं, मैं मिस इंडिया बन के पहुंचूंगी अभी इनके पास, देखना अभी सबके जो है ना एक एक कान के नीचे, कान के नीचे।
Ma'am, is it
Okay.
visible now?
Yes, Sanskriti, please start doing the work. You have written only one, two, your first question.
एक्चुअली वो मैम नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से ना ब्लर हो जाता है कई बार, इसलिए मैम रह गया था।
Oh, very bad excuse, Sanskriti.
मैम उसने
You could
क्वेश्चन
not
भी
get,
नहीं लिखा।
you
Ma'am,
could
can
not
I
get
show?
full mark here.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
show?
हाँ,
Okay,
yes, you should. She is very
Ma'am,
happy.
1
She would
minute.
have done more. Ah, good. Good, Ishika.
Ma'am, can you show? I have completed till short answer 3.
Show me, please.